Hi, in this video, we are building an automatic light-sensing emergency LED circuit that turns on during darkness and also works during power failure. Keep watching to see the complete step-by-step circuit building and working. This circuit uses a step-down transformer to convert AC voltage to 12-volt AC, which is then rectified into DC using a bridge rectifier. An indicator LED shows the presence of DC supply, and a 7805 voltage regulator provides a stable 5-volt output for the control section. The light sensing part uses an LDR with a 10K variable resistor to adjust sensitivity. When there is light, the LDR allows current to flow, turning on the transistor, which pulls the MOSFET gate to ground and keeps the LED array off. When it becomes dark, the LDR blocks current, the transistor turns off, and the MOSFET allows current to flow, turning on the LED array automatically. A 3.7-volt battery is connected as backup, so the circuit continues to work even when the main power supply fails. This is a simple and useful project for automatic lighting and emergency backup applications. Thank you for watching.